Dear friends, you have seen my visit to Bharathiar University, especially Department of Zoology, my meeting with the HOD, Dr. Madan Ramesh, and also Dr. Ramasubramanian, Dr. Arul, and others also. Actually, whenever I visited Bharathiar University, in other words, whenever I visited Coimbatore, I always like to visit Department of Zoology of Bharathiar University because I always feel homely in my department like that. Even without Dr. Ramasubramaniam, I used to discuss with his students, with his scholars, especially master students and PhD scholars. And we used to discuss various aspects. Department of Zoology of Bharathiar University, there, Dr. Madan Ramesh, the HOD, helped me very much. As well as faculty, we discussed the plight of research and also the major importance we gave for the society development programs, otherwise the technology transfer. First, the technology development we discussed for a brief time. After that, the technology transfer. Our research activities or our research is mainly paid by Government of India with the taxpayers' money. The person sitting nearer to me, that is Professor Dr. Ramasubramaniam, is an aquaculture specialist. Whenever I made visit to Coimbatore, I always visited his aquaculture center and interacted with the students. It was interesting and useful. There also we discussed the difficulties faced by the scholars and also the weightage for research given by NAC team. In the column number 3, you can see the research and the research activities weightage given by NAC. Like that, the NIRF also is giving the weightage for research and research activities, even though finance is the major problem. Finance is the major problem everywhere. But to overcome the financial problems and to secure high ranking, that is also most important for any institution of higher learning. We interacted, we discussed how to overcome these difficulties. Actually, the expectation is for publications with the citation index and then with impact factor, publications in peer-reviewed journals, then the presentation in international conferences, presentation in national conferences, and then the awards, patents, major research projects undertaken by the faculty. That is also one of the important criteria for the assessment. And for each and every activity we discuss, there are number of funding agencies. ICAR, CSIR, DBT, etc. Here you can see the videos uploaded in the YouTube under the name The Marl Fish Expert. I also inform the students, for getting motivation, you can visit the YouTube channel The Marl Fish Expert. There I am regularly uploading videos. I should tell something about Dr. Ramasubramanian. Ramasubramanian, I know him for the past number of years. He visited my center also, Center for Aquaculture Research and Extension. His specialization is aquaculture. He has received a number of research projects from UGC, CSIR, DBT like that. And his field of specialization is edible fishes as well as ornamental fishes, freshwater fishes. He has specialized live feed culture. Live feed culture he has specialized. And then disease management also. Fish diseases, disease treatment, that technology also he has concentrated. And especially his research on recirculatory system, aquaculture in recirculatory system is commendable. That is with minimum water, with minimum land. It is something commendable. I wondered, I was delighted by his output by his results and by his knowledge also. And now my intention is to have a network of aquaculture specialists and also entrepreneurs in Coimbatore. For that, I selected Bharathiar University, Ratnam group of colleges, especially Ratnam Arts and Science College, and also this Konganadu Arts and Science and College, where the experts are more interested in aquaculture aspects. So here, with this, I'd like to finish this video. Please have a look and give your suggestion.